PW1, PW2, and PW3. PW1 is the husband, PW2 is the father-in-law, and PW3 is the mother-in-law. So the mother-in-law in page number 73 is stating that the police inquired my daughter-in-law. My daughter narrated what had happened and gave the statement. As soon as she gave the statement, he expired. Thereafter, judge came in. So the judge who was taken down this dying declaration. So dying declaration is gone, my lord.
Who appears for the respondent?
No one is there, my lord.
Which state is this?
Tamil Nadu.
Notice issued in 2022. No one has put in a appearance. Respondent तो स्टेट है केवल. स्टेट इन पर्सन कहां से आएगी? ऑफिस से पूछिए स्टेट पर्सन कहां से आएगी? पंचिंग सेक्रेटरी आएंगे बहस करने के लिए. सर्विस कंप्लीट है ना? लिख दिए सर्विस कंप्लीट. नो वन हैज पुट इन अपीयरेंस ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द रिस्पोंडेंट. लीव ग्रांटेड.
My lord, the petitioner is in jail for the last more than 8 years. So he
more than 8 years.
More than 8 years.
Where is the custody certificate?
Custody certificate is on the last page. 183 and 184.
Custody certificate is of 18/11/2019.
19, my lord.
By then he had undergone 4 years and 22 days.
Yes, my lord.
Now we have reached 2024. Another 5 years almost.
Yes, my lord. So
This is more than 8 years.
8 years, my lord.
Just a minute. You don't deserve bail actually.
My lord, then the case may be expedited.
Hearing expedited. We'll hear you.
Obliged.
Not a case for bail. Prayer for bail rejected. Hearing expedited.
Grateful, my lord.
घर जाके
My lords, in item 27, I'm seeking a passover, my lords, on behalf of Senior Counsel Ms. Sonia Mathur.
All right. You want the password?
Very well. Much obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Squashing of FIR against the accused, who was appointed receiver of my property, later on colluded with the other accused, transferred the possession to them, and acted as the attesting witness on the illegal sale deed, wherein the signatures of my mother as the seller of the property were forged. Lordship, if Lordship could kindly-
Possible.
Yes, Lordship.
On the beginning, supplementary charge.
Resorting to the reason that this accused has not received any benefit out of this transaction. Now, Your Lordship, benefit...
How many accused were there in all?
My lords, in the FIR, there were 3 accused. My lord.
There were 3 accused, Your Lordship. Trial against the other 2 accused is going on.
Is going on.
No, my lord, that's the wrong finding. Accused number 2, Kanhaiya Gupta, has already been, my lord's, quashing proceedings against him has also been allowed, and he is no more part of the trial. There's only one primary witness, Mrs. Narendra Singh, my lords, and the other accused, which I am being framed, it's only on the basis of confession that the primary accused, Mr. Narendra Singh, has made before the inspecting officer, my lords. And the supplementary charge sheet was also filed by the inspecting officer without taking of the Metropolitan Magistrate, my lords. That is the basic finding because of which the Honorable High Court has quashed the proceedings against me, my lord.
That is not correct.
May find the additional documents, Your Lordship, wherein the document, Kurki attachment document, whereby he was appointed as the receiver of the property is annexed. It is clearly mentioned that the property is in custody, he is in charge of the property. How come the property lands in the hand of other accused who are illegally occupying it? And this person says that I don't have anything related to this dispute. I am not concerned. I am a third person. I cannot be involved in this matter. Lordship, it is...
According to you, what is his role and what is his complicity?
Lordship, he was appointed as the receiver of the property.
He was the receiver.
He was supposed to be in possession of the property.
Correct.
The property was in his custody. Then one illegal sale deed is entered in between 2
How is, my lord, cheat? 1 minute. How is cheating and forgery alleged against the respondent number 2 here?
Lordship, they have forged the signatures of my
Who has
father.
forged the signature?
The accused Narendra Kumar Singh, against whom the trial is going on.
Here, who is the respondent number 2?
Ajit Kumar Gupta,
Ajit Kumar Gupta.
who has
What is his role?
he has acted as the attesting witness to the illegal execution, being witness to the fact that the deed is executed in due course, wherein the signatures of my mother were forged.
Where is that document?
Lordship, may kindly have.
He is a witness to that.
He is a witness to that sale deed.
The state is supporting you. You are supporting the petitioner.
Page 26.
Page 26 of the petition, Your Lordship.
26.
26, Your Lordship.
This is the agreement which you say on which your mother's signatures were forged.
Yes, Your Lordship. Here
Mother is Srimati Rajkumari Shah.
yes, Your Lordship.
The agreement is in favor of Narendra Singh.
In favor of Narendra Singh, the possession is transferred to Narendra
One
Singh according to this document.
And Ajit Kumar Gupta is the witness.
Attesting witness number 2, Your Lordship.
My lords, with greatest respect, my lords.
Helping somebody do fraud is also part of the...
My lords, if I may submit, my lords, there are 2 witnesses to the alleged...
How has the High Court dealt with this aspect of the matter that you were witness to a document which is alleged to have contained 4 signatures of the complainant's mother?
I have annexed the original agreement to sell for which my friend has only proceeded the typed copy. My lords, my name in capital letters is only mentioned. There is no signature, my lords. That is the primary case basis which even I am disputing.
That will be decided after the trial, or it will be decided by way of 482 petition by quashing. Just because you deny that your signatures are not there.
There are no signatures at all, my lords.
Where is the original document?
My lords, we have page annexure R1 of my counter, my lord. R2, my lord.
R2.
At page 21, my lords, the original agreement I have placed on record, which was not in the records, my lords. Page 21, my lords, we have counter of the R2, my lords.
Where is R2 की के जरा से separately counter uploaded नहीं है. Counter of R2.
Please, my lord.
Page.
My lords, page 21, my lords, annexure R2. The relevant part is, my lord, at page 23.
23.
Yes, my lords, there's the Hindi typed copy. Page 25, my lords, will see the witnesses column present there, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, we see the circled part, my lords, only the name is present, my lords, Ajit Kumar Gupta, my lords, no signatures are there. And my lords, this is an agreement to sell which my friend has time again been agitating that it is a sale deed, my lords.
Lordship,
At
may
best,
kindly have perusal of...
at best, my lords may take into consideration that the benefit out of this is not towards me, my lords.
A benefit may not be, but you are part of the entire mission.
My lord, the FIR also does not constitute so 120B, my lord. There is no conspiracy that I can be part of that, my lord.
Trial court will consider that whether it can be roped in or not without.
I have been conducting litigation, my lord, just to prevent the social stigma, my lords. At the end,
No social stigma.
But my lords, with greatest respect, I have not placed my signatures on this agreement to sell, my lords.
Lordships, may kindly have
My lords,
page
may
number 25 as well. Where
There is a signature. Come to page 29. See to one translated copy. Page 25. Yes.
Page 25, my lords, there.
Wherein his name, father's name, address has all been written in running
That
handwriting.
is the only case. The only the name is there, and that is the finding, my lords. May have paragraph 17 of the impugned order, my lords. The findings towards this part itself, where the High Court says that only my name is mentioned.
Lordship, even with respect to the Kurki document, wherein he has been appointed as the receiver of the property, the same defense has been taken that my name may have been mentioned in the Kurki document, but I have never signed the document.
My lords, that document should be called for, because if I have been appointed as a receiver, I would have tendered a report or filed a statement before the court. My lords, I am only saying if I had been appointed as a receiver, those documents are required to be called for, my lords, because it is my case that I have never been part of those proceedings, my lords. I have not signed any documents towards where I confirm that I have been appointed as a receiver. Had my lords, I have been appointed as a receiver, I would have not granted a benefit to some alien person.
You are denying your appointment as receiver also.
My lords, I am saying I have not filed any report towards the competent court where I have been engaged as a receiver, my lords. My lords may very well call the records from the competent court and see, because there
They
is
are not
no
going to
report.
deal with the evidence and decide whether or not trial court will do all that.
My lords, it is my case that in this entire conspiracy, my lords, may kindly have that point itself. There was an attachment made by the matrimonial court where a dispute was already persisting between the petitioner's sister-in-law and the brother-in-law. And to subsume that attachment, then she might have got this agreement to sell forfeit to create a right title over the property, to defeat the attachment and so that the attachment does not go to the matrimonial house of the sister-in-law, my lords. And today now that
given by the High Court in paragraph 18.
My lord,
Just read this is totally perverse.
But my lords, paragraph 17 is the main crux towards which my case falls before, my lords. My lords, paragraph 17, it says that the second question, the court finds that the provision of section 54 of the TPA Act clearly provides that the contract for sale of immovable property is only a contract for sale of such property and shall take place on the terms settled between the party. And my lords, it does not itself.
That is a separate aspect between with respect to the seller and the buyer.
Very well, my lord.
Or the vendor and the vendee. But in paragraph 18, the reasoning given by the High Court is perverse.
My lords, we
Read
have
this reading.
page 14, next part, my lord. This court finds that the attesting witness of an agreement of sale or any document cannot be criminally prosecuted unless there is an allegation of 120B, my lords. That is the key finding, my lords. And the FIR itself, there is no enabling provision where the FIR has been filed under 120B.
There is no 120B required here. Next.